Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I have another Bellabox unboxing for you guys. So if this sounds like a video you might be interested in, then please keep on watching. Okay, so if you guys are unfamiliar with Bellabox, basically I've been doing quite a few unboxings over the last couple of months now. So if you haven't already seen last month's, I'll be sure to link that up in the cards for you guys to check out if you want to. But basically Bellabox is an Australian New Zealand subscription box. And so it's $19.95 per month, and basically you get a box full of goodies. There's about 5 products in each box, and yeah, majority of the time they do include full size items, all that kind of jazz. So I just find that it's a really great way to test out brands that you otherwise wouldn't have necessarily heard of, or maybe, you know, that you've seen but you haven't gone ahead and made that purchase yet. This is a really great way of testing, you know, a whole bunch of different brands out and working out what you do and don't like along the way. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so each box is themed. So this month's box theme for January is Happy New Year. Oh, how sweet. So on the back we have just an information card with all the products that we'll find in the box, with pricings and where you can actually go ahead and purchase if you would like to. Okay, so first up we have a liquid lip, and this one here is by So Susan. Now this one here was actually, this was an option, so you got to nominate or select rather what colour you wanted. So I believe you could pick from 3 different colours. And I actually ended up with the one called Pumpkin. I do like more of a orangey sort of browny nude colour. I just find that it's quite complementary, especially to my eye colour, I think anyway. So that's the colour right there. See, that is right up my alley. I really, really enjoy those sorts of colours for the lips. I am sort of steering away at the moment from liquid lips, mainly because I just do sometimes find that they can be super drying, and so I'm kind of steering more towards, you know, more balms and oils and lip tints and things like that, just to keep my lips a little bit more moisturized. But having said that, very happy to have received this, very happy to give it a go. Just from, you know, quickly swatching it on my hand, I can tell it's already started to dry down, which is good to see. Now, if you are interested, you can purchase this from... Oh, okay, so it's only available at the So Susan website. So it's sosusan.com. It is valued at $14 USD. All right, up next we have, ooh, I love this brand. This is a lip liner by the brand Mellow. I do actually have their eyeliner, and I did get their eyeliner out of, like it's a liquid liner, and I got it out of a Bellabox a couple of months ago, and I have really enjoyed it. So this one here looks to be like a rather complementary colour to the liquid lip I received. So this is in the shade Rose. I'll just swatch it for you guys. Yeah, those two are going to go beautifully together. So that's what the lip liner looks like. Just applying it on the back of my hand. First initial thoughts, it did feel quite creamy, which is always a positive. But yeah, very happy to give this a go. As I said, I really have enjoyed this brand so far, and I feel like I probably will like this. So yeah. Okay, so this one here is, it retails at $16 Australian, and it is available at the Mellow Cosmetics website. So it's mellowcosmetics.com.au. Okay, up next we have some makeup wipes. So these are the Express Charcoal Wipes, and I think the way you pronounce the company is Black. Weird way of spelling it, but we'll roll with that, that's cool. Always handy to have makeup wipes on hand, so that's really great. Now that retails at $5.99 for a full size product, and you get, it's a pack of 25. And that is available at Priceline. Okay, so next up we have some Face Day Wear Moisturizer. Now this is by the Cancer Council, and it is in the, it's saying it's like a matte finish, invisible wear, so it mustn't have, you know, have that shine to it that most sunscreens do have. What's really fantastic about this guy is the fact that it is 50 plus. I'm right into 50 plus at the moment. I'm pale, I am so white, and we are in the middle of summer here in Australia, so the sun is, it's hot. And I'm pretty freckly as well, so I burn, and then I peel, and then I get the occasional extra freckle, and then, you know, we're back to square one. there is no such thing as tan unless I apply it to my body myself. So yeah, always happy to include a little bit of extra SPF in my skincare routine. Now, if you do want to go ahead and purchase the full size of this, it is in a 75ml bottle, and it retails at $14.95. You can purchase it at Coles, Woolworths, Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Okay, next up we have a little bonus item. So this one here is by the brand Madara, and it is, I think it's a peeling mask. So it's a brightening peel mask. So always handy to have an extra mask. Always happy to receive things like this. I really do enjoy masking. Again, it's one of those things that I'm really trying to incorporate a lot into my routine at the moment. So yeah, always happy to get an extra mask where I can. Okay guys, so for our final item, this one here is by Mark Daniels Professional, and it is a treatment mask for your hair. Looks like there's it's a pack, a 2-pack, and it's a Midnight Shine charcoal treatment. So this is actually beyond perfect for me right now. My hair is in desperate need of a proper full-on treatment, so I will definitely be putting this to the test. I might even actually put this on my IG stories. So if you are interested and you're not already following me on Instagram and you'd like to, here is a link to my Instagram account. Be sure to go and check it out, and not subscribe, follow me if you want to. That'd be great. Now, if you are interested in that particular treatment, it does retail for a 150ml bottle. It retails for $14.99, and it's available at the markdaniels.com.au website, and also at Chemist Warehouse as well. So super excited about that. Can't wait to get that on my hair. And guys, that is it for this month's Bellabox. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, do be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a whole bunch. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Mwah.